Civil War, and you recognize it, most of you probably. What a beauty. This is a Uberti reproduction, very accurate, reproduction of that thing. An original fires a rimfire 44, and they sell for around 50,000. So I doubt that you're going to see too many of those in YouTube videos, people shooting them. We are going to actually fire this one. So to load it is very unusual. For a big old lever gun, you pull up this little tab, that over, that opens up the tube. Now, that looks pretty cool, but it does have some disadvantages. As we slide some cartridges in here, I'll talk about a little bit of that. You want to be careful not to have too much of an angle and have your rounds slamming against each other. That's not good. Even though these are flat nosed, that's not good because they're heavy, and you could have a mishap if you're slamming those rounds into each other. And also, when you release the tab, which I'll do in a second, you want to be careful about that, not let it slam into the rounds either. Okay, you pull that back over. Of course, it's not going to happen when it's full, but that's how you load it. And of course, you can see the rounds. Pretty cool. However, there's some disadvantages to that, right? You could get dirt in there, dust and fouling and everything, and you could mess up the works pretty easily. But this was the first real attempt at it. Let's take a couple of shots with it. All right. This is 45 long Colt, okay? We couldn't find any 44 Henry rimfire, or we would have bought some. Maybe some bulk packs of it. If you tell anybody I missed that 2-liter there, I will never forgive you. But that's what I just did. I don't know how that happened. Oh, stranger things have happened. Right? Pretty cool. Yeah. Oh, man. Notice the tab is coming down as the rounds are being expended right into my hand. So I'm going to move my hand in front of it and take a couple more shots. Oh, there's a fire pod. There was a fire pod. There's a can. Woo! I don't know what that was. Whatever it was, it's not any longer. Oh, there's another pot. There's a cowboy. That's appropriate. So you see that tab comes all the way down now. And like I was saying, you wouldn't want to reload it. Say you were just going to load 4 or 5 rounds or something. Let that thing fly because look at that. That might not be good. You slam that into those rounds. Okay, so that's just something to be aware of in terms of safety with these firearms. As I was saying, you wouldn't want to. Okay, it's time to load it. You wouldn't want to do this. Put it on your. People have done it. I'm sure. Put it down on your foot. And drop rounds in.